I'm pretty sure that everyone is familiar with the phrase, better than nothing. So when I first started driving, there was an incident that led me to purchase my first dash cam. I didn't really know what to look for, but I did what anyone else would do. I hopped right onto Amazon, looked up dash cam. For the princely sum of $37.99 with free shipping, I came across the Crosstour CR300. Now for the price, to me, it was kind of amazing because it did seem like it came with a lot. It boasts a 170-degree wide-angle lens that allowed a larger viewing angle, motion detection, a 3-inch large LCD screen, a built-in G-sensor that locks the video as soon as it detects a sudden shake or collision, loop recording, and this one was important, 24 hours loop recording creates video clips, automatically overwrites the oldest file to save the current file. Infinite loop recording, never miss any moment. It looks like the ad could have been written a little bit better, but you get the idea. And WDR technology. Whenever low light or backlight kicks in, WDR is able to restore the true colors of objects to the greatest extent. Now it comes with the camera itself, a car charger, a suction cup, a USB cable, and a user manual. So far so good. I took the plunge, went ahead and ordered one. Now I wouldn't say that problems arose immediately, but there were a few things that I started to notice. For one, right off the bat, the suction cup didn't actually stay on. I took a look and it seemed like it was a little hard on one end and it was warped. So I tried resticking it, and nothing worked. What I ended up doing was taking some Velcro and mounting it. This is super hood style. It's just gonna stay up there. It's gonna be there. It's not going anywhere. It's definitely not gonna win any beauty contests. Plus, I did notice, cold weather, it seemed like it was okay. However, if you leave the camera underneath some sun, Southern California, kind of unavoidable. Sorry guys. Of course, at this price point, I wasn't expecting the best, but man, there are some serious issues with the amount of flex that the lens is allowed. Take a look. Some of my own video kind of shows this effect. It's bowing down at the bottom. And here's another shot where it's a little bit colder in the day. Now taking a look at the reviews is interesting because apparently I wasn't the only one that had a broken mount right off the bat. Now what I find to be its biggest drawback is the fact that it promised loop recording so that I could just keep recording throughout the day, throughout the drive. It's not. These guys have a very generous timeline. Me, I set all my settings to maximum, recording audio as well, and I can only record about 1 hour and 40 minutes. And then it ends up saying the card is full, it needs to be reformatted, so I have to really quickly either reformat it on the go, or I've got to do it the next time I park. It's a pretty big hassle. I expected something to be continuous, and it's not. Do I get some kind of compensation if an item isn't as described? I mean, it does say that the camera has a warranty period of 12 months. But at this price, and the fact that I kind of need it every day, every time I'm out driving, it seems like it's more of a hassle to send it back in, which could be what they were aiming for. Who knows? Here's also an example of the WDR tech. Now you've got normal night, and then boom, it hits, and it leaves a little something to be desired. Now, are there better cameras out there? Yes. Very much so, yes. Can you get those cameras for $37? No. If you're looking for a dash cam in a pinch, maybe you're trying to save a few bucks until you can get something better, or if you're trying not to make this a long-term kind of thing, guess what? This might be right for you. If you want a better setup, save your money. In the end, it's really up to you. So it's been a long day. I'm trying to keep this sweet and short. I hope this will help you make a decision. Alright, be on your best. Let's go make some money.